Check out this beautiful landscape. Standing underneath this bridge. Guys are doing a bunch of work down here, laying some concrete or something. So let's continue walking. Yeah, I'll walk over.
Okay.
I have to find a good location to do this thing. Not sure where. So let us figure that out here first, and then we'll continue. You go ahead and explain it.
This is for the, it's from the rice paddy.
Okay.
Rice husk. And
Okay.
then they will put the wine, clear wine, gin, and then there's another for that is a vinegar.
Okay.
Oh, and they have to put that all together. They have to put it all together and then drain those burnt one.
Okay.
Then all they mix up all together.
Okay.
And then they let us put on our forehead.
All right.
That is the one that we called Gulgul.
Gulgul.
Yeah, the Gulgul.
Gulgul.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then all the clothing that we are wearing right now, we after we wash,
Yeah.
after we dip ourselves in the river, we have to
You have to what?
we have to let the.
Okay. Well,
I will put my.
we'll continue here shortly. Also part of the tradition, I guess, is
It's a tradition.
the chicken,
Yeah.
the sacrificial chicken.
This
And-
is a native chicken.
Native chicken, and the widows.
Yeah,
Widows
the
are the
widows.
ones that perform the
The ritual.
ritual. So, anyways, we won't continue that because I know there's people sensitive to that kind of stuff. So, we'll just kind of pan over here and look at other things, like the beautiful scenery out there. Oh, and the chicken is no more. So, I don't know if I'm a big fan of that, but it's not my tradition, so it's their culture here, so that's how it goes.
Mababaw lang yan.
Kaya na naman ang kain. Sayang na kapag tinula.
Kawawa naman yung manok.
So here we are, we're ready to get started. Youngest to oldest, it sounds. Youngest to oldest. Oldest to youngest. Okay.
Pag-check lang uwi na ito nakasata yung magandang diba?
Nagsulat kami. Nagsulat kami.
Ay, nangyayapan guys? Sang?
Kapay ka din kinelas na mo pa naglaman.
Nguning ka, nagtuloy ka. Tuloy ka na. Tuloy ka na. Tuloy ka. Yan mo. Ganun na po sa tapos, no?
Agpapa-ubeng.
Awon, nagpa-ubing.
Eh, paano yung mga apo niya?
Sunod-sunod. Pati ako.
Willie going for a swim?
Alvin, pati ako daw.
Mamaya na.
Alvin, susunod na kayo
Muna kayo pa nagkakap sa sabay kami nagkakasinton.
Mamaya kayo na Gwen, huwag kang ano.
Dahil may kasay may lag.
Doon ka muna kay Brian.
Kahit mapapao. Tapos magkilapin yung mapapao. Tama na dyan pa. Tama na dyan.
Pas.
Oo, maglulublob lang naman.
See what you Dan.
Sadahin niyo di manok, tapos niyo.
Katag!
Pasadahin niyo walang yekan.
Hindi nila nakuha.
Alin?
Ano di katinggaan na di ko ang dalo mo bitinda. Wala nang paano.
Danny's up next.
Ikaw sa ulo lang dito.
Next.
Opo. Sino? Kalakayan nga po.
Kuya mo.
Ikaw na nga to.
Ang init.
Init ako, magkalagin niya.
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Or just put it in your pocket. This one too.
Ano ka, next.
Bino, may harap Bino.
Sabi niyo dito, ipaano dyan sa aming bahay.
Put it in there.
Okay.
This one too. Right there. Right there. Yep.
Yung gulog ka.
Dapat basa yung buhok.
Oo.
Para magiging pangat ako rito.
Hindi mo kalibog din, nag-gulgul kami.
Nagtulog, tigsaw, nagtulog na din.
Nagbagyo.
Bago si Brian. Ako. Ikaw.
Oo.
Mauna ka.
Hatihan ko na ang arumang. Tapos na. Next.
Oh, sige boss.
Yung mga pagsusuyot ninyo.
Ano ka na charm? Ako big tower.
Mabigat katawan mo, baby.
This is Brian.
Nagtutun diyan, sakay tumadang.
Dito is.
Mas matanda si Iwan, kuya.
Next.
Go get it, Christian.
Ilan yung kanan? Ano man ito? Ilan yung ilan?
Organic siya.
May halong gin at lambanog.
Oo.
Saka suka ang base.
Yung dugo ng manok.
Magyuko ka lang din mga
Alam kami na dito, Papa.
Kaya magpunta lang.
Hindi ka kasama dyan ako.
No, best up.
Tumuko ako.
Kabalin natin.
You feel refreshed? Refreshed? Feel good?
Ano ba? Sige.
Kabalin natin.
Ginaulo na ito. Kasi ka next.
Ay, ikuha kayo. Nagbasa tayo ka nung una.
Lamay lang. Ano mayano pa kita? Ano kuya mo may hindi pa ano? Ano mayano pa?
Wala kang dalang ano? Extra mo?
Ano sa mo ko uno yung yan ang nagawin kayo.
Bado?
Hindi. Yung mga nag-mention nga, hindi niya naman alam na ano. Pwede rin mag-ano ka lang, magbanlaw lang ng ano na. O, tapos magbihis na lang siya ng ano. Dito ka muna, nagtuloy ka na para ano. Ganun din, lego ka din lang.
Good, good, good.
Sige, oo, tapon din yan natin mamaya. Pag doon mo kalatan na mademo, nakaala pagsukatan ng ako.
So we have Camille right now, and then next up is Elizabeth.
Ating anak-anak mo.
Panganay ko na.
Ang palasan mo.
Sikit lang na para hindi maano.
The two girls and the young boy are his. Those are his children. Danny's.
Dikit na tikit.
Kita parang hindi maganda yung mata mo. Oo nga, yun ay...
Sige, ano yung pasyan?
American. Tama na.
Tito Eden! Tito Eden! Si Tito, maggaganto ba?
Oo ka.
Now we have Elizabeth.
Hindi na?
It's her turn.
Ang gusto niya, pwede rin.
Oo, higa-higa ko na.
And whose daughter is this?
Mine.
That's your daughter?
The first.
So the young. Oh, okay.
Yan.
My first with another one.
Okay.
Yan.
You met already Angelica, right?
Yes.
Yeah. That's my
Rabo mo tayo.
I gotcha. Okay. So this is from your first?
Kulit mo.
Okay.
Naunor mo dyan sa lahat. Ah. Yan ang magaling. Mata.
So this is Mark Joseph's daughter right now.
Wala.
And I believe she is the last one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to?
Tapos na.
That's okay.
Sister.
All right. I should have gone a long time ago if I was going to do it. I'm an old man. So there we have it.
That's it.
That's it. That concludes the ritual.
One.
Yeah, very nice.
Very nice ritual. Then you will put it in the kwan.
Yeah.
Sino ba yun? Gano'n ako.
Who's next?
Si Tita Sel.
Don't ask me. What are we doing here?
Oh, this one is for the last step of the ritual.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
so
okay.
we have to put
All right.
oil, coconut oil.
Oh,
for
okay.
And massage on our forehead.
Gotcha.
So we don't have next time we don't have headache, body aches like that.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right. So Willie already had his turn?
Yeah, and then he already have.
Does this go from oldest to youngest again?
Yep.
Everybody?
But we're waiting for ate. But
Okay, so this is part two. This is part two of the ritual.
Final ritual.
The final ritual?
Yeah, this is final ritual. I saw many stars when they tap my forehead.
This is part of. Is this still part of the? What do you call it? The Google?
This is the
Google?
old tradition.
It's still part of the Google?
Part of the Gulgul. Part of the Gulgul.
Still part. Okay. All right. All right. This is all. Huh?
After this one, we're gonna eat bananas.
We're gonna
We'll eat the bananas.
bananas. Bananas. Okay.
Saging na saba.
Okay.
Saging na saba.
All right. I think I follow you. I'm kind of learning as I go here.
We're gonna share you some traditions and rituals.
Sounds good to me.
How about the saging? Where?
like my I burp.
You always do.
Si Tita Sel yan ngayon na.
So the ladies doing this are the same ones that poured the water, right?
Yeah,
Yep.
I don't want. It should be widows.
Widows.
Yeah, to do that.
And are we?
Kailangan na niya sa bahay.
Adi sa baday.
So this is still part of the Google ritual. This is the day after burial of Laura.
Yung malunggay, saplit-saplit.
Laura T. Marciano. And these are her kids that are
Next.
doing this.
Ay, kahit sino na.
Oh.
Kids and grandkids, I should say. A lot of grandkids here too.
Dito na. Okay, muna kayo ng banana.
Yung tapos nakakain ng saging?
Ubusin natin natin to.
Eh di pagbalik nyo lahat ng lubi-lubi ata.
Anak ko. Kain ka ng ganito para hindi ka maano. Ano sa ano. Sige na.
Do it again. Do it again. Bam!
Pagkatapos daw yan.
So what's after this? Bananas?
Yeah, this is
Oh, over there.
plantain.
Okay.
Ben!
Ano na dito kasi magpila na yung mga apo-apo. Pila-pila na dito mga apo-apo.
All right, well, the lady doing this, she told me that this is kind of more of a Ilocano tradition. So I think I may have mentioned that earlier, but in case I didn't, there you have it once again.
Next, Alvin.
Balin.
Pila na kayo.
And then it's bananas.
Totak pa, naging pinali na makas dyan.
May finale.
Alvin, Franz, Ryan. Then sit down. I am the one to knock down.
Ano rin? Sige.
Sabihin mo kay Kuya ko.
Siya na lang muna.
So this is the Marciano family.
Ano na pala?
Manang Marlene, tawag ka ni Kuya.
Yes po.
And then there's me. All right, we'll go ahead and close this one up and we'll continue on here today. So thanks a lot guys for coming along and we'll see you again soon. All right, bye-bye.